Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good day in the market. It's January 13th. Oh man, GameStop's coming down some more, down 3% today. And SPY came down also. GameStop is kind of on a mission of its own though. We'll go over some of the options that are decaying. Actually kind of a big day if you look on the daily on SPY. SPY still bearish, red under the 9. Up here, red MACD on the daily. On the hourly, flip bearish today. Right here, set up this little bear flag. Got red MACD. Red under the 9, so it's probably on its way back down. We'll see what it does at this support down here. If it breaks through that or not. But yeah, actually now it's kind of almost a little head and shoulders we've got going on here. Now that it's hitting resistance here, a little shoulder, head. Tesla also coming down. This is good for me. I've got that big spread. Thing is the timing on that, and it's a 990, so I need it below 990 by next Friday. It can be anywhere below that, but yeah, hopefully it doesn't have a. Hopefully it just kind of keeps coming down. It looks like it might. Yeah, it's got a gap to fill there. So GameStop, like I said, TA looks bearish on it, and it's not failed. It's stayed bearish. Red MACD, red under the 9, and today they haven't had a bounce. The reason I'm thinking of a bounce is just because of the previous price action, these kind of troughs that we get in. But it could be different this time, as far as how it runs, when it runs exactly. Yeah, because so far this has been a different. This part was pretty similar to this that we've seen, and this, and then now we're in kind of a weird spot. This whole section now kind of looks like this. Like we had that, and now we're doing this. So not sure if we'll make new lows or not. I do have bullish plays for tomorrow on GME just for Max Pain. Max Pain's 135. I'm kind of expecting it to be there. Even though TA now is bearish on this too, even on the hourly. So shorter term we were looking good. We had bullish MACD at least. But then it flipped today also. Now it has a little bear flag with red MACD, red under the 9. So it's possible it gets dumped tomorrow. 120. Maybe lower. Maybe they just say screw it on Max Pain this week, and we just get price action next week. Might not be a momentum type deal. Might be more similar to what we had here in February, where momentum didn't really shift before. And that's cool. I mean, it's a little harder to predict as far as options go, but it's definitely fun. Kind of like how we had the after hours move the other day. So that being said, I mean, we could still be in this trough period. Grumpy Grandma or someone pointed out just the MACD, and how we have done this we've had the bearish slope down, and then we've kind of done the bounce with green, and then the red, little retest of the red before we have another spike, and it's done that every time, and the price action has shown that also. With the MACD, the difference is these have made higher lows on that retest, higher low. This time we broke through that low. The only thing you could do is you could say, okay, the amount of MACD days that are red, so we're seeing today will be the 6th. Back here we're shorter with only 3. And then back here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that one had 8. But if you look, it started shifting momentum. We hit a bottom at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on the 6th day for red MACD, our momentum had shifted. So that's literally today. So not to say it has to repeat exactly the same, but we could still shift something like this. And well, actually we did break that new low. That's true. That's 120. So yeah, it could be something like this. More of a stretched out time period, because I remember this was a rough, long couple months, and that's what this is turning into from November. So it might be something more like this that we're seeing. Because as far as time frame too, if it is from momentum, it'll take time to shift the momentum like it did here. It'll take time to kind of consolidate and then reverse its momentum. But I mean, they've just got this infusion of cash. They've basically got reinforcements to do some more shorting. So I think that's a part of this right here. And this could be the final dip, honestly. It could be. So show you guys the options we got. That being said, let's see if the hourly. Yeah, see, we did. The one thing I did see was this RSI divergence we had right here and here with these lows. At a higher low on the RSI and a lower low on the price action, which is signifying reversal. That's the RSI divergence. So I was thinking maybe reversal from that, but not looking good with this now lower RSI over here. Yeah, on the hourly, the RSI divergence is not always the best. So kind of a bummer, but it's okay. It's just getting cheaper. You can buy more. So that's nice. Here's the play I got for tomorrow. I averaged into it on accident today because I had an open order and I forgot about it, which happens. It was a very conservative play when it was opened, and when I thought we'd hit 134 for max pain, which we still might hit that tomorrow, and then this will be a nice play. You see that when I opened it, it was green pretty much right away. Break even on it is 127, and we were just below that when I opened it, or just above that actually. So because there's a big spread on it, it's a 124 call, 124, 134 call debit spread. So big spread between them. Capture gains, nice and mellow. You can see the underlying price right here. If we just get up just a little bit, every couple dollars going up, we're getting pretty good profit on it. If it goes above 134, 94, it's capped there, so it doesn't really matter. Got that for tomorrow. Also have the short put. I'll probably have to roll over unless we close above 144. Which is fine. I can actually roll this thing. This is next. Oh, that wasn't next week. That's next week. That makes more sense. Okay. So I can roll this. I can roll it down $1 and still receive a premium. So that's what I do with short puts. So rolling it would be buying to close it. And then selling to open another one for a later date that gives me more credit than it costs to close that one. That's where you receive another credit and you just keep rolling it. So, and with the strike coming lower, as the price of GME goes down, I'm rolling down with it. That being said, I think GME will probably shoot past this, so maybe it's better to stay even, or I don't know. Rolling down is probably the best. And that's what I'll do with that one. BBIG was a good play today. Shout out to Discord for mentioning that. Yeah, you can jump on our Discord, actually. I forgot to mention. Did I do any? I'm so out of it. Did I do my intro? Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy Bunny sticks around. I didn't because I didn't want to talk about what we're going to talk about in the video. At Happy Bunny YT is our Twitter. Sorry, antibiotics got me crazy. Yeah. So I just wanted to get into the video. But anyways, yeah. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy Bunny sticks around. And then that other stuff I said. BBIG, shout out to Discord for calling this one out. Typically I wouldn't have gotten into it. It was called out yesterday. RSI was hot on it yesterday, so I was like, I don't want to, but then I was like, you know what, it looks nice. It's holding up. So I picked up some plays yesterday even with the high RSI coming into close, which was right here, actually right about here. And then it did rally. It rallied into close. Let's see. Yeah, at any rate, they went up today. This might still have a lot of room to run. It's hot on the hourly, so probably come down some tomorrow. I don't know, but on the daily, it still has a lot of room there. And then if you look back, I mean, historically, price action on this thing, it has gone crazy. So this is a big day here, and then a big gap. So we might see something crazy tomorrow on it. Not sure. It's high short interest, hard to borrow. There's no shares to borrow. I think they had some bullish news. I can't even remember. But yeah, I had 5 of those. Sold 2 to make it free, so I have 3 left. So they're up 162%. Again, I bought into this one late, so I think, yeah, Ruga, I think you were up like 800%. Someone from Discord up like 800% on this one. That's always nice. It's just, you're like, oh, why'd I only put 50 bucks in it? Had a SPY call today. I did it. Oh shoot, did I not sell both? Oh, I only sold one. I gotta sell this one too. I totally forgot. It was up a bit and then it came back down. Figured SPY would rally into the VWAP. Man, I got wrecked. Yeah, it kind of did. Then on the longer term, though, as you saw, it's bearish in the hourly and the daily, so I need to not be in calls. Yeah, so did the SPY, sold my Hellbiz shares, looked at the company, looked at the financials. It was pretty awful, actually, what they have. I like what they're doing, but I need to wait for their earnings to look better. Here's that debit spread I opened up, the SPY, and yeah, the BBIG I sold, that other one I just sold. Yeah. Birds are down 6% today. I actually like birds. I looked closer at I looked at a lot of different financials today, this morning, and I like their numbers, and the analyst price target are way higher, and I think there's a lot of reason why this will do well still. But yeah. Oh, GameStop. Oh boy. Trying to shake us all out. 122. It's possible we test that 120 today or tomorrow. Might break through it. We'll see. It is bearish. I should have puts, but glutton for punishment on this one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. See you on Discord. Peace out.